Introduction. Cambodia is a country located in the Southeast Asia. It has a total area of 181,035 square kilometer. The capital and the largest city of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. Cambodia has a total population of around 16 million. Buddhism is the state religion of the Cambodia, which is practiced by more than 97% of the total population. Political factor. Cambodia is one of the developing countries of Southeast Asia, having constitutional monarchy with democracy and multi-party elected government. The constitution written in 1993 helped the country for a stable political environment. Cambodia has a membership of most of the major international organizations like UN, ASEAN, ADB, IMF, WTO, and World Bank. Cambodia has a GDP of $29.307 billion with a per capita GDP of $16.21. The two largest industries are textile and tourism, while agricultural activities remain the main source of income in rural areas. Top export goods are clothing, timber, rubber, rice, fish, footwear, etc. Top import goods are petro products, gold, automotives, pharma products, etc. Social factor. The Cambodian culture shares the ideal and belief of the general Asian. The literacy rate stands at 77.22%. Social welfare systems such as education, insurance, medical treatment are very poorly funded. Due to lack of employment opportunity in country, around 85% workforce is depend on agriculture. Technological factor. Cambodia technological sector is extremely underdeveloped in comparison with other Asian countries. Over the past year, startups have started to pop up at an increasingly rapid rate. There is a large possibility of technological advances through globalization as more FDIs enter the country. Environmental factor. The majority of country lies within the tropical savanna climate zone. Environmental and natural resources in Cambodia are threatened by short-sighted overexploited on an increasing and threatening scale. This reduces the country's overall natural capital. Legal factor. The legal is mainly based on a statutory law system. The constitution is the supreme law. The constitution guarantees the independence of the judiciary. The territorial jurisdiction of provincial and municipal courts cover their respective provinces and municipalities. Conclusion. This Western analysis reports on Cambodia provide a holistic view of country with insightful analysis of current and future issues, supplemented with relevant quantitative data to support trend analysis. Thank you. Have a great day.